is the dinner service. The dinner service. It seems that there's some things that you can serve yourself through the sneeze guard. Olives, and quite honestly, I don't know what some of these things are, but I'll let you know once I taste them if they're good. Okay, so here we have baked cheese ravioli, and it seems to be good because it's all gone. And chicken Florentine. And this one doesn't have a name. Okay, maybe it's couscous. Yeah. And lamb tagine. Oh, that looks pretty good actually. Over here, let's see what we've got. Sausage and rice, beans, and bacon cheddar potatoes. Alrighty. Oh, those look fresh. Yeah. And that's some kind of citrus salsa something. It looks like it was probably good. I'm wondering if I came in late. Okay, so more toppings. And they's cooking up something fresh. Oh, there's something that needs to be sliced. Oh, goodness. Oh, it looks like it's prime rib. Yep, I think that's prime rib. Yep, because I see the horseradish. And here we have another station where someone's cooking up something for us. A slice of pizza. Ooh, it's a slice of pizza. And then there's another station on the other side where someone's cooking up something fresh. So that's your beverage service. And they also bring wine and stuff over to you. So I think that's tacos. Yeah, it's a taco bar. And he's making it up for you. So overall, things look pretty good. But now I'm going to get into it and let you know for sure.